Looking for a decorative for your business, wedding, or simply to beautify your room? You have to try these beautiful artificial flower panels. These are the pink color, but there are other colors available. Comes very well packaged and attached so that the flowers don't come off. The product comes packaged in 12 pieces and comes with these zip ties and some spare flowers and butterfly accessories. It should be noted that this product is an improved version with better quality than the previous one. As you can see, they have good size and quality. As it comes pressed, once you open it, we can use a steam iron or a hair dryer to return the flowers to their place. Now let's start. We open the cable ties package. We will start to join one panel with others in all the corners and in the middle. This step is very important to secure them and put them in the right way, because if you don't, the panel will not support the weight of one with the other and will collapse. We place the accessories and ready to put in your favorite place. Ideal for taking photographs or videos for social networks, birthday or holiday. Selling products or promoting a business you are doing.